Just 1 tablespoon of this simple powder around the roots of your cucumbers can make a huge difference in your garden. This affordable ingredient helps plants become more disease-resistant, repels pests, and promotes healthier growth. Today, I'm revealing this secret of experienced gardeners, so hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any similar tips. Cucumbers are extremely demanding plants that require constant care and specific nutrients. When the soil runs out of key elements and protection, development stops abruptly, the leaves start turning yellow and losing their healthy color, and the newly formed flowers drop before they even get a chance to bear fruit. This is exactly why experienced growers use a natural powder that completely changes the soil structure and creates perfect growing conditions. After applying this trick, the cucumbers become visibly stronger, tolerate summer heat and sudden weather changes much better, and the yield increases. The application itself is incredibly easy and fast. All you need to do is take 1 tablespoon of this wonderful powder and sprinkle it evenly directly around the cucumber roots. Right after that, water the soil thoroughly so the powder slowly dissolves and penetrates deep down to the root system itself. Feel free to repeat this process every 2 weeks during the season. There is another excellent and practical way to use it, where you can mix that same tablespoon of powder with half a liter of lukewarm water and water the plants directly with that liquid. But that's not all. You can also spray this mixture onto the leaves to prevent powdery mildew and downy mildew, as this ingredient works as a natural fungicide too. Gardeners who use this method report that the plants look incomparably fresher after just a few days. The leaves get a deep green shine, and the blooming becomes more abundant than ever before. Now the moment has finally come to find out what the secret ingredient is. This powerful powder that works wonders in your vegetable garden is ordinary garlic powder. It is natural, inexpensive, and available in every grocery store. If you found this natural trick helpful, share the video with your friends on Facebook and other social media. Good luck with your growing, and see you in the next video.